Welcome. My name is Dr. Jen, a part of the RHC team. Today we're going to go over some great ideas to get kids to eat healthy. Eating healthy is a skill you can teach your child that will last them a lifetime. As a parent, you want the best for your child, and what is more valuable than health? This class is designed to make this job fun and easy. Your child most likely spends much of their weekdays in school. It's important to know what they're eating at school and assist your child in making healthy choices. Be sure to talk to your child's teacher and even to other parents about nutrition. One way to make this fun is to have your child be involved from the start of the process to the end. Take the time to write out the grocery list together and then go shopping. Also, have them start with some of the cooking process. You can do this by giving them a butter knife to learn to cut and have them put away leftovers in personal-sized containers. Once they can prep their own snacks and meals, they'll be able to choose just what they want to eat. Just be sure to have good ingredients available in your home. Be sure to check with your school or daycare regarding allergies. If you suspect your child of allergies, contact us for a hair and saliva test to determine if there are items in your child's diet or environment that their body doesn't resonate with. Visit our website and click on the hair and saliva analysis link to learn more. If you're interested in a meal plan with a grocery list and nutritional content at your fingertips, contact us. We can offer you a free trial of our online meal planning software. Each meal plan can be individualized and specific to you, your family, and your child. Make a large batch of a healthy dip. Each one of these can be modified to your liking, making them more or less spicy. Adults and children are often deficient in fiber. Fiber is necessary to clean toxins out of the system and to feed the good bacteria in your gut. This is a great no-cook snack that kids can get ready for themselves. Invest in some small jars and fill them with a variety of nut butters and keep them in easy reach in the fridge. Have healthy snacks ready for dipping. Things like vegetable sticks, gluten-free pretzels, or nut thins. By making eating fun, you're setting your child up for a healthy adulthood. Pizza is a great way to have the whole family involved in cooking. You can prep all the ingredients in advance, and then you can each make an individual pizza with your own toppings. During the winter, you can also make warm fruit teas the same way. It's also a great idea to have a large container of this in the fridge to make it easy to grab. Get your child a special water bottle that they can put frozen fruit in or citrus slices to make drinking water more fun. This will boost their immune system and help to clear out their lymph system. For a copy of these great recipes, download for free from our website store. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great tips and recipes. Thanks for joining us.